Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to today's GS session, and we are on day 14 of October 2021. So these are the topics which we'll be covering today. We'll be talking about the penalties which RBI has recently imposed on a few banks. We'll be talking about India's first clean label food brand. We'll be talking about India that has become sixth most affected country by ransomware. So we'll be talking about this report and we'll be talking about what ransomware is. Along with that, we'll be talking about the recent campaign that that ICC will be endorsing for UNICEF and India's latest women grandmaster. So I hope you all are excited for today's session. So let's get started. But before that, I would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates, and join our Telegram channel, link for which is in the description box below. Along with that, the flash sale is still on, so you can use code EDT10 and get 40 plus additional 10% off on our courses. Use code EDT10 on our website. So the first question: recently, Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of rupees dash on State Bank of India for not complying with directions issued with regard to fraud classification. The options are 1 crore, 2 crore, 50 lakhs, 5 crores, or none of the above. The right answer is 1 crore. So guys, these are the three recent penalties which Reserve Bank of India has imposed on three different banks. So on SBI, a 1 crore penalty was imposed. On Standard Chartered Bank, 1.95 crore penalty was imposed. And on Janata Sahakari Bank, 30 lakhs penalty was imposed. All three penalties were imposed for not complying with the regulations of RBI. So remember the amount and the name of the bank. So State Bank of India got penalized 1 crore rupees, Standard Chartered Bank 1.95 crore rupees, and Janata Sahakari Bank rupees 30 lakhs. So you will have to remember the amount and the name of the bank. That these types of questions are being asked in the recent examinations. So I hope this is clear, and we can move to the next topic, that is, recently which of the following food brands has become first clean label of India? So remember, not just the first clean label, but a food brand that has become India's first clean label. The options are Himalaya, Nestle, True Elements, Britannia, or Healthcart. The right answer, guys, is True Elements. Now, True Elements is amongst India's leading health breakfast and snacks startup brand. It is India's first certified clean label by Clean Label Projects USA. Now, why is this important? Well, firstly, they are addressing the issue of healthy breakfast in the country, and they're providing food that does not lie to you. That means they are telling whatever they are promoting, they are selling is true, and hence the name True Elements. The important key takeaway: do remember that that True Elements has become India's first clean label food brand, and it is a startup which basically sells healthy breakfast and snacks. So I hope this is clear, and we can move to the next topic, that is, India has been ranked sixth most affected country by ransomware by which of the following companies? So out of Facebook, Google, Twitter, Amazon, which of these companies has ranked India as the sixth most affected country by ransomware? The right answer is Google. So firstly, what is ransomware? Guys, we remember that in earlier times, someone used to, take away something precious from us, something important to us, and they would ask for money in return. That was called ransom or firauti. Now, what happens is the hackers, they simply take away our important data from our, backups, from our PCs, from our computers, from our mobiles, and in return of returning that data, that important valuable data to us, they ask for ransom, and hence the word ransomware. So India has been ranked sixth most affected country by Google in terms of ransomware. So This is a big issue that needs to be addressed, and Israel is the most affected country by ransomware according to Google. So guys, do remember these two facts. India is the sixth most affected country by ransomware according to Google, and Israel is the most affected country by ransomware. So I hope this is clear. And the next topic that we have is, recently ICC has partnered with UNICEF to raise awareness around mental health and well-being of children and adolescents throughout the men's T20 World Cup. What is the campaign hashtag? So basically, what is the campaign of UNICEF? The options are for your mind, in your mind, on your mind, for your health, or none of the above. The right answer is option C, that is on your health, on your mind. So International Cricket Council has partnered with United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF, to raise awareness about their campaign on your mind. They will be endorsing this campaign throughout the men's T20 World Cup, right guys? Now the awareness campaign is around mental health and well-being of children and adolescents. So this is basically easily understandable that UNICEF is promoting a mental health and well-being campaign for children and adolescents with the hashtag on your mind, and ICC has partnered with UNICEF to promote this campaign at T20 World Cup. So I hope this is clear. Remember the campaign hashtag, that is really important. Moving on, next we have that Divya Deshmukh has become India's latest women grandmaster. She belongs to which of the following states? Which of the following cities? The options are Gandhinagar, Chandigarh, New Delhi, Lucknow, or Nagpur. The right answer is Nagpur. So Divya Deshmukh has become India's latest women grandmaster, winning at the Budapest, Hungary, and she belongs to Nagpur, Maharashtra. So guys, these were all the current affairs to be discussed today. Now from the previous video, I asked you a question: what is the full form of ISO and International Organization Standardization is the right answer. Subjyoti and Samarpita have given the right answer. Very well guys. So thank you very much. This was it for today's session. For any queries, you can send us an email at hello@edutab.co.in. Signing off, Devanshu Gupta.